Okay, I just did a video on the field strip of this and the disassembly of the slide on this because I bought this one used. I thought I'd just do a quick overview of this. I've had a few of them over the years. I like them a lot. I haven't fired this one yet, but I thought that's why I took it apart and cleaned it all up. I just want to do a quick overview. The barrel length is 3.5 inches. I'm not going to field strip it on this one. I'll put a link down there. It's made in Argentina. Weighs unloaded 20 ounces. The complete length is 6.6 inches. The height is 4.7 inches. And the width is 1.3 inches. The frame is alloy. And the slide is steel. And we got polymer grips on this. I'll tell you what I like about it. Is this double action, single action? Let me find my magazine. Lost my magazine. I found it, obviously. What was I going to say? Oh, it's double action, single action. It's been safety checked. Magazine's empty. Chamber is empty. So it's double action, single action again. It does have a magazine disconnect, so you do have to have a magazine in there to fire it. So it's got a decocker, which I do like. You can safely decock it that way. Rack it back, put it around the chamber. When you rack it back, it's going to be like that, and then you can decock it safely with a round in there. So your first pull, it's also a safety. First shot will be double action if you decock it. It's not bad. It's not like the 6 hour SRT trigger pull, but it's pretty smooth. And then the single action, I'll show you the take up on it. Well, let me take my thumb off the hammer. I'm trying to move it so you can see. There we go. A little bit of take up. It's got a pretty good break. It's pretty light. We'll do the reset real quick. And there it is. A little bit of take up. And then a little wall and a break. Pretty crisp break. I think the trigger is good on this. You can buy these for about $300 brand new. Comes with either a 7-round magazine or an 8-round magazine. I've seen both. Pretty decent magazine quality too. Polymer grip again. I like this one. It doesn't have the wraparound grips because I don't like the finger grooves that well on a firearm. I think the concealed carry model has got the finger grips on there, or the finger grooves on it, I mean. And then for those of you guys that rest your finger on the front of the trigger guard, it's got serrations up there. It's also got one on the front strap and a back strap. They're decent. Sights are 3-dot steel sights. Rear sights adjustable windage. And it's also got a screw and a spring. So you don't have to drift it with a punch. You can just put the screw in and out and it'll adjust your windage. So that's kind of a nice feature of it. What else can I say about it? Like I said, trigger's pretty good. What I don't like about it is, I don't know when they started doing these. The old ones don't have them, but every one I've had have. It's like a skeleton key lock, and it'll lock everything up on the firearm, so you can't fire it or do anything with it, I think. Something else I don't care for too much is where the mag release is. I'd rather it be down here. It's not that big a deal, but just my preference. Just my opinion. As you guys know, a review is whatever he's reviewing, its opinion. It's not set in stone. I know I get some flack if I say something negative about a gun that somebody doesn't like. They have a fit about it. It's just my opinion. It's what a review is. If a magazine's doing a review, if a huge YouTube channel's doing it, it's just that person's opinion. Something else, it's no big deal, but the way I hold it is my thumb will rest on the mag, or not the mag catch, the slide release. Slide lock. So it won't lock back when I'm firing. It's just the way I hold it. When it's on the last round, it won't lock back. Other than the magazine release, though, and the slide stop, and that's just why I hold it. Other than that, I really like these a lot. I've never accidentally released a magazine while I'm firing one of these or anything, but for $300 new, I don't think you can go wrong with it. So if you're thinking about checking one out, that's my opinion on it. It's a pretty nice gun. We're not going to get a whole 380 versus 9 versus 40, but I'd be comfortable carrying this. But I pretty much use them as range guns. They are fun to shoot and pretty good trigger, good shooting guns. That's my overview of it. I'll put a link below on the disassembly of the slide and field strip. I don't do a lot of range videos because all I do is shoot paper. I really don't have any place to shoot cans or anything like that, or steel. But that's my take on it. Thanks for watching.